That's it for me. We end on a high political note. We can't dive too much deeper into politics. It's not a politics show.
No.
But I know you guys. I know, Will, you've been saving up. You've been saving up over the last couple days.
Yeah.
You yourself have some hot articles that you just need to bring forth.
Well, yeah. I mean, this one's pretty cool. It surrounds itself with technology, cool tech, and it came from Twitter. In light of what's happening in Hong Kong, this kind of actually came up right now, but it happened like 2 years ago in 2017.
This tech here is 2 years old?
Yes.
Interesting. But people
Yeah.
are using it right now.
Yes. So
Okay.
this girl is, she made this product, which is a projector that you put on your head. It's like a headband that projects a face on your face.
It was like a video game face.
Yeah. And I think the reason is because of anonymity. You want to be anonymous when you're on camera or something like that.
You can walk the streets anonymously without a mask.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just showing the video right now, and it's literally projecting a face onto the person who's talking. And
You get to become some sort of a video game character.
yeah, an old person, a girl.
Now, it's important to know it doesn't look perfect. It's got a very bizarre, it's an uncanny feel to it.
Yes.
And of course, you're wearing a giant projector on your head. I mean, it looks sort of like some type of hat or something.
Yeah.
But
But it's brightly lit.
yeah, it works.
And it works. Like, it doesn't show the person's face at all. It obscures their face.
Wow. It's much brighter than I expected it to be. Usually it's pitch black all around. But this is, yeah, a person could give an interview, in the movies when they got the person talking, but it has to be dark.
Yeah. Yeah.
What did they use? Unsolved Mysteries, or do I remember this correctly? They would lower the voice, and then it would just be a shadowy figure.
Yeah.
You did that once, Jack. You remember that for a video? You did that?
With the voice.
You were the shadowy figure. No one's going to be able to figure out which video that was. No one's ever going to find that, but Jack had this bright idea one time that he was... It wasn't his idea. No, not at all. Yeah, very cool technology. Is this a thing that you can buy, Will, or is this a DIY?
It's a DIY. It's a university project.
I see. So how are people getting their hands on them now?
I don't know if she's actually selling them or anything. I think it's just like a experiment, a social experiment is what I can think of.
But are people not wearing these in the streets at the moment?
That, you know what? That I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They could be.
They could be.
But I feel like that thing's going to be quite expensive compared to a simple mask, one of those nose mouth masks.
Right.
But I guess if you wear one of those, your identity is still sort of there. Like
Yeah.
if your eyes are exposed, your head.
That's true.
This is you're completely, that's cool. It's very futuristic. It's got a Black Mirror vibe to it for sure. I think if people want to appreciate it, they really got to go and watch the clip. It's on YouTube.
It's called a wearable face projector.
Wow, very cool. Willie do.